And hello, sir. I'm Ayman Shah from Ayman Shah's Group, and today I'm going to be presenting and also showing a demo video of our group project, which is the title is Movie Watchlist Management System. So first of all, I'm going to be sharing the coding files and explaining what data structure algorithm that is used in our group project. So this is our main coding. We have 4 files, 2 header and 2 CPP files. So we used 5 data structure and algorithm in our group project, which is a linked list, stack, we use queue, we use linear search, and we also use bubble sort. So I'm going to show the examples of those used in this coding. So first of all, we use over here, we use linked list. We use linked list to store the store on the main movie watch list. Second, we use stack, for example here. Stack, we used it to store recently watched movies. We have queue. We use queue to store next to watch movie list. And on the movie system.cpp. Over here, we use linear search, which is using keywords. And under here, we are using bubble sort to sort the main movie watch list. So I'm going to be showing the output of this project. I'm going to be sharing the output page now. So this is the output for our project. So we have 10 choices and we are going to showcase one by one. I'm going to showcase it one by one. First of all, you can add new movie to the watch list. So press 1, you'll ask for the title, the genre, the year, and also the rating for the movie. So for example, here we're going to put Schindler's List, year 2001, the rating of 10. So it will say that the movie is added. I'm going to add one more movie just to showcase the whole list as a whole. So I'm going to put Aladdin, the general action. Year of movie 2005, I'm not sure. I'm going to put a rating of 7. So I have 2 movies added into the watch list. Now we can move to the second, which is view watch list. So it will show this output. First, it will show Detective Conan, the year, the genre, and the rating. And you also say here unwatched. Same goes to the second one, goes to Aladdin. So that's the showcase of the second choice. Third choice is mark movie as watch. So by entering choice number 3, we can pick any number of the movie that is unwatched and we'll mark it as watch. For example, I'm going to put number 1. And now we will say mark as watch data column. So now if we put view, we can go to we can just go to the fourth choice, which is show recently watched. And when we press number 4, so there will be an output saying the recently watched movies is Detective Conan. You can also view it on this second choice, which is view my watch list. So now change to watched. Now we're going to go with 4. We're going to go to 5 and 6, which is a different list than the watch list. This is a next to watch list that we use on the coding that I've shown, which is using queue. So go to number 5. We can add any movie to the queue. For example, we're going to be putting the exact same thing. For example, I can put Avatar here, Fantasy, 2011, rating of 6. So now it's will be an output saying movie added to next to watch queue. So now if you go to number 6, which is showing the next to watch queue, it's very similar to how the number 2 works. It would say next to watch queue is Avatar. So now we can go to 7, which is search for movie. As shown in the coding, we use a linear search on this one, so we can put any keyword from the title or genre. So, for example, that I put Detective Conan, and it'll say the output is search result for Conan, which is Detective Conan, mystery, year 2001. I can also put in genre. For example, I put genre action, and there will be search result for action is Allerton, which is an action movie from 2000. So now we have number 8, sort watches by title. So for now, the watch list looks like this: Detective Conan and Aladdin. It sorted by what's put in first. But using number 8, we would be able to sort the watch list according to their alphabetical order. So we can place 8. There will be watch list sorted by title. So now if you're viewing the watch list, it will show that Aladdin is now at the top and Detective Conan is now at the bottom. Now we're moving to number 9, which is removing movie from the watch list. So you can press 9 and now ask for enter movie number to remove. So for example, I'm going to remove Aladdin. So I'm going to press 1 and there would say movie removed from watch list. So now if you're viewing the watch list, it will say it will only have Detective Conan because Aladdin is now removed. So, and then we can exit and save the program by inputting the choice of number 10 and yep, it's data save, exiting system, goodbye. So that's the rundown of the coding. So as you can, as mentioned, the data is saved. The data for the watch list is saved. So I'll press enter again. Enter again. Going to run the program back again. So it's after running it back, after putting in import 2, you'll still have Detective Conan with the watched tag on it if I'm viewing the watch list. So it saved the files. So that's all for our project presentation for the coding project. That's what we did, and we used Spiked, and that's how it goes and the choices, and that's the showcase for the whole project presentation. So thank you and goodbye, sir.